In this video, I'm going to show you how to pay with Klarna on Amazon website or app. Now, first of all, I must tell you something important before we get started. Amazon doesn't directly accept Klarna as a payment option at checkout. So, to pay with Klarna on Amazon, you'll need to use a one-time virtual card generated through the Klarna app. This virtual card works like a temporary Visa card, which allows you to use Klarna's payment options on Amazon or any site that accepts Visa. Now, this tutorial may slightly differ depending on the country you are in, because Klarna has some features that vary between regions. But don't worry, I'll walk you through every step so you can complete the process successfully. The first thing you need to do is get your total purchase amount ready and create the one-time card. So, for example, go to Amazon and shop like you normally would. Add the items you want to your cart and proceed to checkout. On the checkout page, find the exact total of your order, including the cost of shipping and taxes. Make sure you note this exact amount, because you'll need it in the Klarna app to generate the virtual card. Next, open the Klarna app on your phone. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up using your phone number and follow the verification steps. If you already have an account, just sign in. Once you're signed in, navigate to the Klarna wallet or the cards section in the app. This section may also appear in settings depending on your app version, but you want to look for the option to create a one-time card. Inside the Klarna app, you'll see your general cards and options to continue into the app. Choose the option to continue, and the app will guide you to sign in or verify your account. In my case, I signed in using my phone number and selected the country I'm currently living in. Once you're signed in, you'll be able to see the option to create a one-time virtual card. Enter the exact total from your Amazon checkout into the Klarna app. Then, you'll be asked to select a payment plan. You can choose to pay later, pay in installments, or any other plan Klarna offers in your region. After selecting your preferred plan, Klarna will generate a virtual Visa card specifically for this Amazon purchase. Now, head back to Amazon and go to the checkout page. Choose to add a new credit or debit card as your payment method. Enter the virtual card details from Klarna, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Once the card is added, select it as your payment method and click to complete your order. Once the payment is complete, Klarna will cover the full amount on Amazon. You can now go back to the Klarna app and see the details of your payment plan. You can track upcoming payments, view due dates, and manage the schedule directly from the app. Remember, the one-time card only works for this specific purchase and usually expires after 24 hours, so it cannot be reused for future Amazon purchases. If you want to make another purchase, you'll need to generate a new virtual card. As you can see, this process may seem a little detailed, but it's actually very straightforward once you follow each step carefully. By using the Klarna virtual card, you get all the flexibility of Klarna's payment options on Amazon, even though Amazon doesn't support Klarna directly. This gives you full control over how and when you pay for your purchases, and you can manage everything right from the Klarna app. So that's how you pay with Klarna on Amazon website or app. Follow these steps carefully, and you'll be able to shop and pay using Klarna without any issues. This method works for any purchase on Amazon, and the payment plan will be fully visible inside your Klarna app, so you can keep track of everything easily.